Hey guys, today we're unboxing the new Eclipse Etha. Comes in a really nice camo box here. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this with one hand. Let me set the camera down here. And here's the box. Real hard cover. Open it up here. Comes with a barrel sock, parts kit in case anything breaks down. Really nice Allen key set. Plain Eclipse grease or gun oil. Two-piece shaft for compatible barrel. The actual marker itself, and the operator's manual. Hey guys, today we're shooting the new Eclipse Etha. I'm not sure how we're gonna do today. The paint's really old, dimpled, and really brittle. So here we go. No brakes. Thanks for watching.